viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you are well. I have many prayers for you. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. Hello friends, in this video I will show you the best ladies and women suit, rompers, dresses, girls frocks, tops. Hope this video is useful for you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and comment on my subscribe on my YouTube channel. So dear viewers, in this video you will see the stylish, most beautiful, outstanding ladies dresses. Also, you will see hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas about new dresses. All dresses are very awesome and very beautiful. You can buy it only for only online stores. My dear friends, I always try to be useful dresses, stylish content for you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share with your friends, family members. Today I will be showing you that the worldwide best fashion. So my friends, please watch my video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Today we can see the new ladies fashion party wear dresses with beautiful dresses in this video. Please my friends, watch my video till the end and never missing any ideas of design in this video. Also, don't forget to clicking the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will see all the notification of my latest videos. I want to tell you that I'm not selling the product of any ladies dresses, so this video is only made for you. So please friends, support me and subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video, you will see amazing ladies dresses ideas, beautiful gorgeous looking dresses, the branded dresses and beautiful designs of new dresses. You can wear these dresses on parties, wedding functions and informal functions. These dresses will be available on any online store. You can buy it easily from any online shop. Friends, in this video, I will show you the best and new ladies and kids dresses ideas. So friends, watch my video till the end and you can beautiful trending fashions. If you like my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel Reshu Fashions. I promise you cannot stop yourself to telling you, oh, I'm looking so pretty and so beautiful. These dresses are specially for you guys. Please buy it and wear it. I always tried my best to something new for you. These dresses are well looking, very beautiful, gorgeous and very attractive for ladies. You can see the different styles of dresses of 2023 to 2024. You can wear these dresses in official parties and in official functions. All these stylish and trending dresses for the ladies and who like the latest fashion. Also friend, don't forget to support me and subscribe my YouTube channel. You can find hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas daily on my YouTube channel. I would like to introduce about my channel. In my channels, I will give you the new trending dresses ideas for ladies, which is about the latest trending dresses ideas for all over the world that make your personality more charming, attractive. If you are a fashion lover looking for the latest and new designing ideas, then this is place for you. So friends, sit back, relax and let us help you find the perfect do for your events. Like and share our video. If you have to something to say, just drop us a comment. Thanks for watching my video, for subscribing and for your comment. Viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you are well. I have many prayers for you. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. Hello friends, in this video I will show you the best ladies and women suit, rompers, dresses, girls frocks, tops. Hope this video is useful for you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and comment on my subscribe on my YouTube channel. So dear viewers, in this video you will see the stylish